Hey Jen.
Shut up.
Why are you so rude?
Can I post pictures of my hair on Instagram?
No.
Why?
Because I haven't posted the video yet. I posted the video Sunday. Hi Dad. Can you tell the people where we're going?
Going away. People, we're not going away. We are both going back.
Affordable cities to live
That's
in.
so mean. Alright, well we're going to the store because we have to buy supplies. That's all I'm gonna say until the formal intro. Okay, say bye Dad.
Bye, Dad.
Alright, you got that?
Jen, do you know where the jalapenos are?
Up your butt. Just shut up. Hello?
We're in the cookie aisle.
No, we're not.
Yes we are.
You want mega stuff or no, girl?
I went gluten-free. I'm joking.
What the hell is that? That's gross. That's for gluten people. Alright, we need
Oh my god, you're so rude. In his natural habitat. You know why I say that, right? Oh, okay. See, he knows how to find the eggs. Ow. Jenny. Hey everyone, today we are making a few Halloween snacks for our cousin's Halloween party.
Was my hair colored?
It was colored in the first half of the video, and then not in the second half, and then in the third half it was. Well, I mentioned in the beginning Jen's hair. No, you mentioned it. You were like, can I post it? And then I said no. But yeah, you can post the photos now because the video is out. Link in the description or on a card. Do you want to tell them what we're making?
Mummy jalapeno poppers, Mississippi mud pie, deviled eggs.
Let's get on to the video.
It also says to use whole milk, and this is like 2%, so you're gonna have to remind me to do all these things.
Okay.
Of is how it's cooked.
Look at this.
Cooked.
this was from the fridge. Dad, did you know that? Come show. Look, show him to know if the egg is done. Check if that's done. You see?
Yeah, check if it's done.
Is it done?
He
Okay.
already knows!
Check if this one's done. It's not done. Sure.
Yeah, he didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, but this one's breaking. This one isn't.
Drop it on the floor.
It's not like you haven't done that before.
That's not nice. A hard boiled egg?
I dropped it.
Did you?
No, in wait. This is a funny story. So in hospitality, did I
Oh, how it's gonna come out.
did I tell you what happened in hospitality?
No.
So I had to crack
I
it.
take a smaller value.
I know, right? So I had to crack an egg.
I thought I crack the apples and put the color in.
No, you crack them, you put the color go in the crack. You let it dry, then you peel away.
Will everything look color?
No, only crack parts.
Okay. You crack lots.
Why'd you give me this one? I don't know. Anyways, as I was saying, also you're not on the shot. We were both on the shot just now.
Yeah, and then I wanted to leave.
Why?
Why not?
You're gonna what is this? You're like those cartoon characters. In hospitality, we had to crack an egg, right? You remember hospitality class, Dad? So I cracked the egg on the surface in the kitchen, but I cracked it too hard, so it went everywhere.
Was it boiled?
It wasn't boiled.
Oh.
So then, and the teacher was like a couple tables down, and everyone looked at me, and I had to quickly clean up, and it was really funny. Good story.
Sure.
It was so funny. Everyone looked at me, and I was like, oh no!
Do you want to put that in this one and then this one, or no?
Yeah, we can do that. So for the people, these two. Hello everyone, we're at the end of the video. What did you like, Jen?
Nothing.
What? You really didn't like? I'm telling Aunt Kathy.
I told you this last night. You said you want to talk about our.
Okay, let's just talk about our food because Auntie Kathy's food will be in the next video. But we didn't even talk about what we liked in her party. We liked everything at her party, okay? If you want to see, go watch that video. What did you like from our video?
Nothing.
Why?
I like naked jalapenos. So like I don't even like bacon wrap. I just like the cheese and the jalapenos.
You didn't even like the deviled eggs?
Deviled eggs are fine.
So you did like them?
Yeah, I suppose.
So why are you a liar?
I remember Mississippi mud pie being more magical, but that's probably because as a kid you don't make it, so then you're just eating it. But I guess because we made it.
I liked the jalapenos, I liked the deviled eggs, and I liked the Mississippi mud pie. I definitely think we should have done more layers for the mud pie. The jalapenos were good. If I was picky, I'd say to make the mummies a little better.
How?
Cut them thinner.
No.
Yes. And then for the deviled eggs, they were good. I think the sesame seeds? Yeah, the sesame seeds helped it.
Oh yeah, that's why I didn't like it, because I remember I didn't like it before and then I toasted sesame seeds just to get rid of the sesame seeds we had.
Oh. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. What should they comment?
Jalapenos.
Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And until next time, we'll see you later.